what you're going to need is a tea bag, and then you're going to need to set up 3 balls just like we have, and you're going to need an opponent for this one. And what you want to do is you want to get your tea bag and you're going to try and throw it into the other person's bowl, and then the other person is going to go and they're going to try and get it in your bowl. So if anyone gets it in, what's going to happen is you're going to move. So I've got it in, so the bowl goes away. So now I've only got 2. And then it's the person who's got no balls left that wins.